So I might have a dirty little secret, and it's right here behind me in this cleaning closet. Today we are going to be tackling this closet and transforming it on a Dollar Tree budget. So if you need some ideas on how to clean up your own dirty little secret, stay tuned. Alright guys, so today we're going to be tackling this closet right here behind me. This closet has been kind of the forgotten closet in our home. As you can see, I've done a whole one organizing product the entire time we've lived here. But before we dive into today's video, if you are a Dollar Tree fanatic like me, you're going to want to make sure to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't done so already, as I post new organizing videos every single Wednesday. But let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to tackle this closet. First things first, I got to clear it all out. So after I clear out the shelves, what I like to do next is clean everything up. I like to use my NORWEX dusting wand and my ENVIROCLOTH just to get everything nice and clean and dust free. This is the stuff that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I got some contact paper. This is one of my favorites at the Dollar Tree. I used this under my kitchen sink, and that was actually another Dollar Tree budgeting video. I'll leave that link down below. These things I use all over the place. I have one for a cleaning caddy right now, but I really wanted a white one just to brighten up that closet, and they actually had them. I was so excited. And I got, I think, like 6 of these bins. These are really nice shoebox containers with a really good lid, and I loved the pop of color, so this is what I'm going to be using. So the contact paper I simply just put over the wood shelves. I actually ended up removing a couple of the wood shelves just because the shelves were so deep and I really didn't need all that space, and that actually made it a lot easier for me to organize and to find what I'm looking for. Alright guys, so I have all of the shelves lined now. This closet, oh my gosh, is so much brighter with just putting the contact paper in there. So now I'm just going to do a dry fit of the bins that I picked up to see where I want to put everything, and then I'm going to go ahead and sort through it and put it away. So the next step was to sort and organize. I ended up pulling everything together and organizing it, and I actually decided to put all of our medicine in this closet as well. So I've scoured our house, pulled out all of the medications, first aid stuff, and like sunscreen, bug spray, and that kind of stuff. So what's going to be really important, especially if you decide to put like your medicine, or here I'm looking through my sunscreen and bug spray, you need to check your expiration dates on everything. We had some stuff in here that I hate to say was several years old. Made a huge pile of things that were expired and made sure to dispose of those properly. Once everything was sorted, I started to give everything a home. It's going to be super important that you actually give everything a home, because that way you're going to be able to keep things organized and know where to look for everything. Alright you guys, so I just finished this closet, and let me tell you, I am so thrilled with how it turned out. So let me first give you a reminder of the before. And now, let's check out the after. I love how this closet turned out. It's so much brighter and so organized. Let me show you how I've got it set up. Alright, so let's start with this guy. This particular holder I found at TJ Maxx a few years ago, but I will leave a link to something similar down below. But I love it because you can actually hook your mops and brooms right into it. Top right here, those are all the light bulbs. On the left is some of those like cleaning things that we'll still occasionally use, but down here on the right is all of our medicines. So on the top I have all of my daughter's stuff, and then on the bottom is all of my husband's and I stuff. Inside here I have just all of our like sunscreen and bug spray because summer's coming, so we're gonna need to get to that super easily. And then on the bottom is like our little first aid kit. This is all my extra cleaning cloths, so I just folded them, put them in this basket. And then this caddy is what I would take with me if I am cleaning around the house. Keep all of my regular cleaning stuff in here, so I have like my window cloth, ENVIROCLOTH, duster, and the cleaning solution that I used for the toilet. I use this to clean you know, stains in the carpet. We've had crayon on the couch. This with the ENVIROCLOTH got it right out, so I just leave that in here. I just have extra tissues, some paper towels, and then this guy, I put all of our extra toilet paper in here. And if you remember from my under the sink bathroom video, I will leave that link down below. This is how I store all of my tissue under the sink. So now I can just swap the bucket out when we need to refill it. If you love this Dollar Tree organizing video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any other videos as I post them every single Wednesday. Until the next organizing project, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and we'll see you next time.